been through some things that's brought about my change. Just trying to find my way, hasn't been all fun and games. There's been some ups and downs, life's been spinning me around, but I think something.
Are you okay?
I promise you this, gentlemen. There's no way they'll be able to repay the loan. In a month, Powell Gas will be mine.
If not, we will withdraw our support. Understood?
Understood. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time and your support. 수고하세요.
Hi, Daddy.
What's up, shorty?
Thanks for letting me stay in your house, Mrs. Powell.
Oh, it's Miss Loretta, baby, and you're more than welcome. Stay as long as you want.
Okay, come on, Gail, let's get some rest.
Oh, no, not in my house. You sleep over there on that couch.
But, Ma!
Nah, I don't want to hear it. Now, G, come on. Let me show you to the room. Good night, son.
Night, Ma. Mookie. Mookie, we need to talk. Let me get the number 2 wrench. Oh, thank you.
Mookie, we need to talk. Come on, man. You've been moping around here for the last week. Let's just clear the air. I got nothing to say to you. G, can you talk some sense into him, please?
No, I can't.
You know what, Mookie? Get your ass. Come here, man. Get off me when I'm talking to you, man. I'm your older brother. You listen to me.
Damon.
Elliot.
Thing okay?
Yeah, man. We just... What you doing out here?
Hey, listen to the CD you gave me, man. The track is hot. I want to sign this kid. Who is it?
It's my brother Mookie. You know him, right?
This is you, Mookie?
Yeah.
Elliot straight. I used to live up the street from you, man. Welcome to Cruiser Records, man.
I'll carry that for you, will you?
Okay, now that I know you can sing, we'll have to get you singing for the church.
Well, I don't know about all that.
I do, and it would be his pleasure, Reverend.
Okay.
I guess this is your last day working here at the station now that you rich and all.
Ain't nobody rich, man. I just got a demo deal.
That's stupid. Everybody knows you can't get rich off a demo deal. Hey, can we open up your own tour move?
There ain't no tour.
Hey, but there will be.
He's a boy alone actor. All you can be is a closing act anyway. Because after the people see you two, all they want to do is run for the door.
That's fine.
Thanks for getting my song to him.
But it was good, man.
Still, you didn't have to.
Yes, I did. That's what brothers do.
From fame, baby. You gonna remember our name, you know what I'm saying?
Back one more time.
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Oh, no thanks. We're fine.
Well, no, you're not. This is private property.
Mr. Sang, what are you doing?
I'm surveying the property. We begin construction soon.
Construction? You don't own the property?
Oh, I'm sorry. I assumed that since you hadn't repaid your loan that you had conceded that detail.
David, what's he talking about?
Yeah, what's going on, man?
Mr. Sang, please get off my property.
As you wish. We can finish it in, what, 32 days?
Leave now. Please.
Okay. I will get in touch then, Mr.
Damn, what's going on?
Ma, I can explain.
Think about
Yo, how you
it.
gonna do that, yo, man?
Everybody,
How you gonna do that, yo, man?
Hey, easy. Yo, hey, take it easy, take it easy. Check it out. Don't matter what deal Damon signed. Come on, I'm half owner here, and I didn't sign it.
Thank God.
Oh, God. Oh,
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I forged your signature.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Bro, you with the college and everything, you should know better, man. You should know better than that.
Man. Hey,
You know,
come on,
it's a
yo,
family,
easy. Take it easy, kill it. Come on. Seriously, what was my brother supposed to do, huh? Let my mother die? Because of him, she's sitting here alive today. I'm glad he did what he did. Now I would think if it was your family, you would do the same thing.
Mookie's right. Instead of pointing fingers, we need to figure out a way to pay Sang back.
Yes.
Yes.
Unless, of course, you intend to sell.
No, I don't want to sell.
Good. Then let's do something about it.
Yeah.
Come on.
All I want to know is what's going in there.
Driving range, a Korean market, and a full-service spa. I'm a chartered member.
That's all good for you, but can't none of us get up in there?
What do you care? You don't golf, eat Korean food, or bathe.
The point is, they're driving us out of our own neighborhood. And when's it gonna stop?
Please. This is not about us against them. That's not why we're here. This is about preserving what is good in this community. And Powell Gas is one of the best things in this community. Can I get an amen? Amen! This is about coming together as a community and doing not what is profitable, but what is righteous. Can I get an amen? Amen! This is about putting our minds and our spirits together and figuring out a way to raise $100,000 to pay back Mr. Sang. Can I get an amen? Come on, everyone. We can do this. Let's put our heads together. Within one of us, there is the answer. Who amongst us holds it? Lil Maxwell.
Why don't we just have a gas sale?
A gas sale? Young man, that's almost ridiculous.
That's a great idea, Maxwell.
That was marvelous.
Good thinking, Maxo. With all the people that Chris has helped in this neighborhood, I'm sure everybody would buy gas. All we'd have to do is get the word out.
Wait a minute, man. There's just one problem. Now, we only make 14 cents on a gallon of gas. Tops. We'd have to sell over 700,000 gallons.
Damon, I can get you the gas at my cost.
Well, what's that? Another 20, 25 cents? Unless we clear $1 a gallon, it ain't gonna happen. Even then, it'll be tough.
I'll get the station to do a month-long promotion. We'll give away free CDs and T-shirts to everyone who fills up at Powell Gas.
That's still not gonna be enough, Theo.
You're not letting me finish, dawg. You slash the price of your gas down to 92.3 cents a gallon, our call numbers, and I guarantee you that Hot 92 Jams will put up $1 for every gallon of gas sold for the next 30 days at Powell Gas. Now, will that happen?
All right. Well, then that settles it. Let's get started. We got a lot of work to do.
All right, y'all. Hot 92 Jams, the most music. What's up? You got your boy Theo in the place to be. Broadcasting live from the Powell Gas and Market on Crenshaw and 29th in beautiful downtown Lamert Park, where we're selling gas at 92.3 cents a gallon, y'all. That's right. Our goal is to sell 100,000 gallons of gas in the next 30 days. Why? To save Powell Gas and Market, which has been serving the community here for the past 40 years. That's 92.3 cents a gallon, brought to you by Hot 92.3 Jams of LA.
No gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all for our keys up on the dashboard. It won't drive. Go high. Just walk. You don't wanna start no gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all for our keys up on the dashboard. It won't drive. Go high. Just walk. You might get smacked up because of whack bugs, plan stuff don't add up. And Apodaca people thoughts in my head are trapped shut. And the blood of my previous ancestry is flowing out of your gas pump. This means that my bodily fluids are in your fuel gauge, and that you dissipate all of the rules to engage. But this don't mean it don't have the tools of the trade. You start a gas war like you've never seen before. I mean, car bomb, blow up, Chevron, gas station, #1 billboard, charted, castration of a pro-war Texan, hoarding oil fields, claiming to know the Lord's blessing and all the loyal kneel. I've never seen his face when I scour the stars, so bump this when you roll your solar-powered cars. This for all the trust fund hippies, you know, +1 pixies, all you environmentally conscious motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You don't wanna start no gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all for our keys up on the dashboard. It won't drive. Go high. Just walk. You don't wanna start no gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all
I know you're hungry, baby. You've been sitting out here all day.
Go high. Just walk. Just because the world runs on oil doesn't mean oil men should run the world or run for office. A thumb out of a bald fist for army draftees. My number's up the call list. Niggas salute the anti-hero. Cause I'm a grand system glitch and the antithesis of a planned business risk. Whom is getting frisked? But the Gestapo. They don't think I'm marijuana crop grow, but they're running my outdated plates.
Sure thing. What you ladies getting into tonight? Where you going? Don't make me come in there and get you.
You can come in here anytime you want to, baby boy.
Oh, hell no.
Come on, big enough.
Oh, no.
Oh,
You good, man?
What about my gas?
You ran out. Go, man. Go.
Keys up on the dash, it won't drive. Go high, just walk. You don't wanna start no gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all for our keys up on the dashboard. It won't drive. Go high, just walk. You don't wanna start no gas war, because I won't pay you what you asked for. We're all for our keys up on the dashboard. It won't drive. Go high, just walk. Yeah, that's what's up. Bus driver, you know what I'm saying?
I'd like to get some breakfast too, you know.
Buy a lot of gas. No, y'all still. It's all good, though. You know what I'm saying? Shots fired for better things.
Checkmate, baby. You should never dropped out of the divide, bro. Take that home with you.
Long trip, man.
Okay, guys, that's your last maybe another couple hours where you're selling gas.
It's unbelievable, man. We're almost halfway there, and it's only been a week.
Hey, you ready to open it back up?
I don't know. We've been going pretty hard. Move. What do you say, man? Give everybody the rest of the night off. Come back fresh tomorrow.
Sounds good. I'm just worried about old dude over there. Maybe somebody should stay the night.
Yeah, he been there all day.
He's just watching. Actually, he's very nice.
Still, I think somebody should stay.
I'll do it.
I don't know, Will. You sure you can handle it? You know how you like your naps.
Yeah. You guys kidding me or something? I'm a Vietnam vet.
Oh, there you go with that stuff.
That was a real war, not this weekend stuff you got going on right now.
Maybe we ought to have somebody
Should I go to that sucker?
Okay, all right. Well, so everybody, good night, y'all. Come on now, let's go. Hey.
You gotta tell me twice. Come on.
Theo, good looking out, man. At this rate, we're gonna sell 400,000 gallons.
Good, man. But remember, we're only paying for up to 100,000.
Oh, that's cool.
Right.
Appreciate it, man. Oh, excuse me.
Hey, there's your problem.
What?
Somebody poisoned the tank.
With what?
That's a good question. Whatever it is, it corroded the lining. Those large flakes of metal.
So why don't we get new tanks?
Just the permits alone is going to take you a couple of months, not to mention the cost.
How could someone poison the tanks?
Will, did you notice anything last night? You were up, right?
Yeah, I was up. I told you I'm a vet. Okay, I might have nodded out of this.
Come on, it's not his fault.
You know something? She's right. We all know whose fault it really is.
Mookie, come back here, man.
Mookie, don't.
No, I'm not letting him get away with it, G. You know he did it.
No, I don't know that. And neither do you. Let me talk to him. He'll be honest with me. Papa,
What do you want?
I need to talk to you, Daddy. I know you're upset with me.
You've disgraced your mother, me, and yourself.
I'm sorry, Daddy. But I love him. And if you loved me, you would respect that.
If you respect me, you would not love him. Especially someone who spreads lies about me, calls me a thief, a racist, and even worse.
Well, now he's saying you sabotaged the gas tanks.
And what did you say?
I couldn't imagine my father doing such a thing. That you were an honorable man. Did you do it? Why, Dad?
I offered them a fair price. They should have taken it. It wouldn't have come down to this. I did what I had to do.
So we're gonna have a full setup here with a food court and retail spaces and a day spa and...
May I help you?
Yeah, no. Please, don't get up, gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Councilman Tripp. You know Damon and Mark Powell, their mother, Loretta, their attorney, Mr. Garrison, the Reverend Thompson.
Hello.
And of course, you know your daughter, G.
Excuse me, but I'm in an important meeting. You will need to set up an appointment.
You didn't have an appointment when you sent your boys over to our station last night.
Please leave, or I'll have you escorted out.
Before you do anything you might regret, Mr. Singh, maybe you better take a look at this.
I offered them a fair price. They should have taken it. It wouldn't have come down to this. I did what I had to do.
Mr. Sang, our business is concluded.
Wait, please. I can explain. Wait.
I'm so sorry to see that happen. But since you have a few minutes, perhaps you can hear us out. In addition to forgiving the Powells of their $100,000 loan, we expect you to pay for all repairs and upgrades to the Powell Gas Station, contribute $10,000 to the Chris Powell Community Center, and, I forget anything?
Oh, yeah, there's one more thing. I don't want you taking this out on G. I swear, I hear one thing, I'm gonna take this straight to the police.
Please, sign here, Mr. Sang.
Broadcasting today live from Powell Gas and Market. It's going to be under renovation for another couple of weeks, but the market is open for business. And we are down here having a straight block party, y'all, to congratulate the community for giving it up and helping to save Powell Gas. Coming to our stage, a new comic duo. Show some love for Powell Gas and Market's very own Hector and Ignatius.
Give it up! Give it up for my man Theo!
Nature's Hector! Maria, you think I can take you and Lil Maxie out to dinner tonight?
No. But you can take me out to dinner tonight.
Hey, I want to go.
You always want to go.
Oh, wait a minute! Ain't this dude named Theo?
Yeah, he must be from like the east side of Japan, like Watts, Avi.
So, big bro, we still selling this place?